Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to try another recipe using a cake mix. Now last time it seemed like it was a fiasco, but I'm going to tell you, actually that was the spongiest, lemon, yummiest bars I've ever eaten. It was really, really good. Had I just used a bigger pan, I'd been fine, but I managed to eat it all up. So today we're going to do a cherry dump cake. Now, I hate the word dump cake when it applies to a cake, but I got the concept. You're supposed to just put everything in the pan and just put it right in the pan and bake it. So let me show you what we have to have. Okay, we need 1 box of yellow cake mix. Now, I found these at Dollar Tree. That's where I happened to be. I had to go out this morning, and the place wasn't open yet where I went. So I ran across the street to the Dollar Tree, and I decided to make this dump cake. You're going to need 2 cans of cherry pie filling. And they had these at Dollar Tree. Also, I've never heard of it, Mother's Made cherry filling or topping. And I used almond extract. It's supposed to be delicious with cherries. That's what Google says. So, Google says it. Okay, now what you do, you want a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, there we go, of almond extract per can. And it says, just mix it in the can. Just put it right there in the can. No problemo, we'll do that. Alright, we're just going to mix it right up in this can. Just mix it a little. It'll be fine. It doesn't have to be perfectly mixed. Just so you get it in there and it's not right on top. Alright. Now, surprise, surprise, look what I have. A bigger pan. Haha. I put the other one away. I'll use that for something else, maybe cornbread or something. But I'm going to do this in this larger pan. So what you do, you spread your cherry pie filling out. Now I have already used a cooking spray on this pan. Okay. And the next one. I'm assuming with this recipe you can use any kind of canned fruit. And you just spread it out all over the bottom of the pan. I love cherries. Lemon is my favorite as far as a dessert, but I sure do like cherries. Oh, and then there's peaches. I love peaches as well. Okay, there we have this. Now, we're going to attempt to take this dry cake mix and hopefully spread it evenly, or as evenly as we possibly can, over all this filling. So I'm just going to start putting it in here. Now, you know you don't mix this once you get it in here. It's sort of like that cobbler I made that time, where you just put it in there and you don't mix it up. That's a lot of cake mix. Yeah. I'm going to smooth it a little better when I get done here. Got to get it more even. Alright, there we go. Now, I'm going to smooth it with this little jiggy foo. Okay. Oh, that works. That works fine. Spread it around. I love recipes that are easy, real quick. especially if you're going to have company, which I'm not, but something you can make up in just a few minutes and pop it in the oven and have it ready. And I'm sure it's going to be delicious. We're going to find out. Got in the pan. Now I'm going to put it in the oven and I'll let you know what it looks like. See you in a minute. Ha! I got that in the oven and I thought immediately you left out something. So, you need a stick of butter melted. Ooh, and that is hot. And you're going to do your best. That is super hot. You're going to do your best to try to drizzle this evenly over the top. I can't believe I am not any good, y'all. I guess you figured that out. At making cooking videos, I get so nervous because I'm always scared I'm going to do something wrong. And I proved it on occasions that I'm right. I do it wrong. If it's something that I've cooked for years and years and I'm real familiar with, but then, usually those recipes are a dab of this, a pinch of that, and a little bit of this, like our grandmas used to do. I have no idea how to break it down into teaspoons and so forth for y'all. Okay, that's going on nicely. Just spreading it around. I can't believe I forgot the butter. But I just was concentrating on getting that cake mix on there and getting those cherries in there. Okay. There we go. Now in the oven, and I'll be right back. Okay, I put it in a 350-degree oven for 55 minutes. Now remember, it's a dump cake, so it's not going to rise real thick like cake does. But here it is, and I'm telling you, it smells wonderful. So I'm going to take some out. It's almost like a cobbler, crumbly type cobbler. I can actually smell the almond in this as well. Oh, look at that. Now if I were to touch this to my tongue right now, it would burn the dickens out of me, so I'm not going to put that cherry right on top. Yeah, cherry. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that smells good. It looks good. I cannot wait to taste it, which I'm not going to do. But it looks wonderful. And it didn't blow over the edges and go all over the stove this time. So this is a good one. And remember, it's super, super quick. And you probably can use any fruit that you want to. So I really like it, but I like the cherry in this one a lot. Okay, y'all. So that's my quick and easy cherry dump cake. I hope you'll try it. Let me know what you think. Bye-bye.